Hello students, today we will start the first unit of maths, that is numbers up to 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. And in this unit we have learned how to read and write the 9-digit numbers. So for that, first of all we will revise the place and the periods of 9-digit numbers. So the first place is ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore. So these are the places of 9-digit numbers. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore, 10 crore. Now we will write the periods. We will divide these places into periods. So first three places comes under ones period. Then the next two places comes under 1000 period. That is 1000 and 10,000 place comes under thousands period. Then next two places, that is lakh and 10 lakh places, comes under lakhs period. And then crore and 10 crore places comes under crores period. So this is the place value chart. Now we will write the number. We'll take the question. Write the number numeral using commas between. Write the numeral using commas between periods. So let us few examples for it. Suppose 81 lakh 5,000 100 2. Suppose we have to write the numeral for this. How can we write? First of all, we have to see the greatest place. What is the greatest place? That is lakh. This is the greatest period, lakh. Now 81 lakh. So we have to write 81 lakh. So we know that there are two digits. Then 5,000, which period comes after lakh? That is 1000 period. And we know that there are two places in 1000 period. But here only 5 is only one digit. So how can we write this one digit in two places? So we'll write like 05, 5,000. And then what is the next period? That is ones period. And what is in the ones period? 102. So we will write 102. So this is 81 lakh 5,102. Now let us take one more example. 8 crore 13 lakhs 5. Suppose we have to write the numeral for this. How can we write? What is the greatest period? That is crore. So 8 crore. First of all, we will write 8 crore. The next period is 13 lakh. We know lakh period comes after crore. So lakhs period have two places. That is 13. We will write 13 in lakhs period. What comes after lakhs period? That is 1000 period. So but here 1000 period is missing. So what we will do? And we know that there are two digits in 1000 period, so we will write 2 zeros. When there is no digit, there is no number in thousands period, so we'll write 2 zeros. Now what is the next period? That is ones period. Ones period have only 5, but we have 3 places and we have to write 5 in 3 places. So 3 places में 5 को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? So we will write like 005. So in this way you can write the numeral. So it is 8 crore, 13 lakh and 5. There is no thousand period, no hundred, no tens, so 5. So we will put zeros. जो place यहाँ पर missing है उन पे हम क्या लगाएंगे? Zeros. Now let us take another question. In this you have to write the number names. So write the number names. So first let us take the example 3 7 5 1 2 0 1 5. So we have to write the number name. So it is much easier than writing this numeral. Number name is very easy to write. How? Because everything is given here. We know the digits at every place. So how we can write this number name? This is ones period, thousand period, lakhs period, crore period. Just we have to read the number and then write the period. So 3 is at which comes under which period? That is 3 crores. Then we will read this number 2 digits together because these 2 digits come under the same period. So 75, this is 75. So हम लिखेंगे 75. Now 75 कौन से period में है? 75 is in lakh period. 75 lakh. Then what is this? We will read these 2 digits together. जो same period में आएंगे उनको हम एक साथ read करेंगे. This is 12. So we will write 12. 12 कौन से period में है? 1000. And then we will read these 3 digits together because these 3 digits or places comes under ones period. And one thing you have to keep it in mind that ones जो period है हम वो mention नहीं करते हैं. बाकी सारे periods हमने mention किए करोड़, lakh, thousand, but ones period को हम mention नहीं करते. So 015. How can we will read this as 15? So FIF 15. So the number is 3 crore 75 lakh 12,015. So this is the number name. Let us take one more example. Now how can we write its name? So again, we know all the things here. So how can we write this? Now this is the greatest period is crore. So we will read this together. So it is 47. We will write the period crore. Then what is that lakh? What is under lakh period? That is 0. 0 means nothing. So we will skip this period. We will not write this period because there is no number in this period. So we will move to the next one. This is 18. So we'll write 18. 18 comes under which period? 1000. And then we will read these 3 digits together. That is 100. 1. And we never write the period of ones. So this is the number name. So it is 47 crore 18,101. So in this way we can read and write the number names and numeral of 9-digit numbers or up to 9-digit numbers. Now another thing that we have learned in this unit is the international place value chart and how to read and write the number in international according to the international place value. So let us recall what we have learned. We will recall the places of international place value chart. So again we will write the ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, 10,000. After this, the places get changed. Here, the places of Indian place value chart and international place value chart are same, but after this, they got changed. After 10,000 in Indian place value chart, what comes? Lakh, 10 lakh, then crore, 10 crore. But in international place value chart, it is not so. 10,000 के बाद आता है हमारे पास 100,000, and then there is no lakh, no crore, then comes your million, then 10 million, and then 100 million. So these are the places. Now we will write the periods of this international place value chart. Here all the periods have 3 places. In Indian place value chart, one period has 3 digits and rest all have 2 digits. But in international place value chart, we have 3 places in all the periods. So the first period is ones, and then thousands, and then millions. So these are the 3 periods of the international place value chart. So we'll again write the numeral or write the number name for this. Write the number name. Now suppose the question is given and it is said that write the number name. How you come to know whether we have to write the international place according to the international place value chart or according to the Indian place value chart? We will see the commas. For example, suppose this. So by observing these commas, we can come to know whether we have to write according to the Indian place value chart or international place value chart. Because Indian place value chart में आपके पास once period में 3 digits, then 2 commas according to that layer. But here commas है after every 3 digits. So once 10, 100, then again 3 digits, then again 3 digits. So this is according to the international place value chart. So how can we write the new number name? So here this is ones period, then thousands period, then millions period. We will read these 3 digits together, these three together. जो भी same period में आते हैं उनको हम एक साथ read करते हैं. So what is this? This is 371. What is this? 371. So we'll write 371. Then we will write the period. कौन सा period है ये? 371 million. And then next, move to the next one. What is this? Read it together, all the 3 digits. This is 423. So 423. Now we'll write the period, 1000, and then again read these 3 digits together, 175. 175. And you know that we don't write the period of once period. So this is the number name. 371,423,175. So in this way we can write the number name for the given numeral. And in the same way you can write the numeral of given number name. Let us take one example for that. Write the numeral write the numeral. Suppose 900 million, 900 million 9009, 9009. So this is according to the international place value chart. How we come to know? Because here million places period is given, which is not in the Indian place value chart. Now how can we write this? So the greatest period is million, so 900 million. So how many digits are there? 900 million. We have right 3 digits, then we put commas. Now the next period is 1000 period. So again we have 3 digits in 1000 periods, but here only 9000 is given. But we have to write 9 in 3 digits. तो हम 9 को 3 digits में कैसे लिखेंगे? Because we have 3 digits in 1000 period. How can we write this 9 in 3 digits? So we will write like 009. This is 9000 and then 9. Now next again we have 3 digits left, and again we have to write this 9 in 3 digits. So again we will write like this. So this is the numeral for the given this 900 million. So 900 million 9009. So this is according to the international place value chart. So the only thing is you have to keep it in mind is the commas and the periods. So this is all what is in the first unit. There is only the Indian place value chart and the international place value chart. You can see here only 4 worksheets are there, and we have revised only these types of questions are there in first unit. That means you have to write the number, names or the numeral according to the Indian or the international place value system. In next video we will revise the next unit of this, that means second unit. Thank you.